Hi guys, I'm Isha and today's video is all about my skincare routine, so let's get started. Also guys, I forgot to mention the first product that I used was nail mist. Also remember, for good skin you don't need too many products, less is more and your diet is really important. Moisturizer time, and I love this moisturizer. You should always opt for non-comedogenic products. They're like total game changers. Also remember that good skin days are coming and trust the process. I love so many sunscreens, but currently I'm using this one. And also if you want any under eye cream, you can use your regular moisturizer under your eyes and just massage it for like 2 minutes. That works for me. So you can try. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.